Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to change the search engine in the Yandex browser on your mobile device. If you prefer using a different search engine instead of Yandex, this guide will help you set it up quickly. First, open Yandex Browser on your mobile device. Next, locate the three-line menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. Then, click on the Settings icon to access the browser settings. After that, find the search engine option in the Settings menu and tap on it. Now, you will see a list of available search engines. Choose the search engine you want to use from the list. Finally, your selected search engine will be set as the default, and all your future searches in Yandex Browser will use it automatically. Changing your search engine can make your browsing experience faster and more convenient if you prefer a different search platform. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.